Your next car could be the 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer. Stay connected on the worksite in the full-size Silverado 1500 pickup. Its smooth, agile ride keeps you comfortable, while its rugged strength gets the job done. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, lane keeping assist, keyless start, iPod, MP3 input, heated mirrors, stability control, split bench seat, intermittent wipers, traction control. Feel prepared for the challenge in the Silverado 1500. Get behind the wheel for a test drive.